the seed faster and process faster. We increase our area, so we are having 45% more than what we have in the old place. So this one gives us the opportunity to have new equipment, because in the old place we are not able to put a lot of the new machines. There are some processes that they are still doing in West Chicago, like coating and pelleting, but most of the seed cleaning, removing what is not good, we are doing here with the different equipment that we have. We process around 5 billion of seeds every year.
And you're responsible for all of that?
Yes. Well, yeah, me and my team.
Do you lose sleep?
No, I'm okay. I like it because it's we have different crops, so all the time is a different work. This building, we put the name of Francis Kwong Center because he was a man that helped a lot in the post-harvest. When he visited us, he gave a lot of recommendations about how to have better seed quality and also how to be more efficient in our work. He helped a lot about a lot of technology and also knowledge, so we decided to put his name.
You worked with him. Tell me about what you thought of Francis.
Oh, okay. Francis was an incredible person because he took the time to teach me about simple concepts, because sometimes there are concepts that can be really difficult to understand in a book. So he wants to all the time had some time to review with me the simple concepts about seeds, physiology, or some process that are happening when the maturity of the capsules are going in the greenhouse. He also teach me how important it is to harvest in the good moment, the capsules. So I really appreciate it.